Are you sick and weary of financial experts offering you the key to immediate riches but leaving you more in debt and confused? It's easy to give in to tempting pitches and eye-catching marketing in a world where there is a lot of guidance on saving, investing, and expanding your money. However, beneath their charming faces comes a sobering truth: a lot of these so-called experts put their own financial gain ahead of your own. We'll explore the emergence of the finance guru phenomenon and learn the truth about their objectives as well as the risks associated with taking their advice at its value. You won't be able to look at their promises the same way once you know the reality. The rise of the finance guru phenomenon. Financial experts have become almost celebrities in the previous 10 years. Their content has gone viral with the promise of making common people millionaires. These gurus tell you about financial secrets they found that conventional advisors and specialists won't share. They spread the myth that the system is biased against the average person, but that you can overcome it and get the elusive financial freedom by using their strategies. But what makes their advice so appealing isn't how complicated it is, rather, it's how approachable and easy they make it seem. They reduce difficult financial principles to easily understood, upbeat themes that offer individuals a fictitious sensation of empowerment. In actuality, personal finance management isn't always simple, and what suits one individual might not suit another. However, these gurus frequently downplay the risks involved in order to promote the notion that anyone can become wealthy by following their particular strategy. Selling a dream, not a plan. Experts in finance are skilled marketers. They are skilled at playing on people's fears and wants, giving the impression that anyone can achieve financial freedom if they heed their recommendations. They speak in an attractive way: let money work for you, don't work for money. Or anyone can get rich if they just know the secrets the wealthy are keeping hidden. In actuality, a large number of these secrets are either well-known information or simplified forms of fundamental financial concepts. Investing in stocks, real estate, or launching your own company are not really novel ideas. However, they are able to charge a premium for them because they present them as groundbreaking concepts and include inspirational sayings, whether they are sold through books, online courses, or seminars. The most concerning aspect is that they take advantage of those who are already having financial difficulties by giving them hope in return for their last cent. Rather than developing long-term, sustainable financial strategy, they offer shortcuts and fast cures, which are unrealistic in practical situations. The true motivation behind finance gurus. It's critical to realize that not all financial experts are wealthy because their advice was followed. Rather, they made their wealth by offering financial guidance to others. Rather than investing in stocks or real estate flipping, their wealth is derived from affiliate marketing, expensive seminars, online courses, and book sales. There is a risky conflict of interest as a result. Their advice is designed to get you addicted to their products, not to help you accumulate riches. Your likelihood of falling for their next scam increases with your level of faith in their claims. Financial gurus use a continuous cycle of consumers purchasing their goods with the belief that they will be able to make more money than they lose, and then returning to the market to purchase more goods when they fail to achieve their financial goals. They are some of the most recognized and appreciated people in the economy. Even though Dave Ramsey, Tony Robbins, and Robert Kiyosaki are all rich individuals, their main source of wealth has been the sales of books, speaking engagements, and other items targeted at those in dire need of financial advice. The dangers of following blindly. The fact that financial gurus' advice is frequently general and unsuited for unique financial circumstances is one of the main dangers associated with blindly following them. Personal finance is exactly what its name suggests: individual. A 30-year-old without children, a reliable career, and spare money may achieve things that a 50-year-old with a lot of debt, dependents, and a house to pay off cannot. However, financial experts frequently offer generic advice to everyone without taking into account unique situations. Certain investment gurus promote risky approaches that may cause more harm than benefit. For instance, they can convince their followers to take a loan on the pretext of investing in stocks or real estate, promising their followers that such a move will yield more gains than an equivalent loss. Yet, employing other people's funds in investment is arguably one of the riskiest things that an individual can bestow himself financially, because in case something goes wrong, at that point you will stand to lose a lot of cash. Some financial experts recommend changes in lifestyle that are impossible for most people to achieve. They advise their followers to live simply, make drastic cuts to all of their spending, and save a lot of money. Saving money is vital, but some financial advice, such as giving up coffee or avoiding minor pleasures, is extremely general and ignores the actual financial difficulties that most people have, including stagnating income or growing debt. The power of affiliate marketing. The excessive dependence of financial experts on affiliate marketing is another troubling trend. Numerous individuals promote financial goods such as credit cards, investment platforms, or insurance policies, frequently without revealing their personal financial connections to these businesses. Because they would get paid for each referral, they might persuade their followers to sign up for particular services. These financial experts don't advise their audience on the greatest financial instruments. Instead, they support the goods that give them the highest income. This implies that their supporters can wind up using inferior financial goods that cost more or are less efficient than substitutes. These gurus show their true colors when they put their commissions ahead of the financial security of their audience. The illusion of success. Cramers in finance frequently point to their own seeming success as evidence that their strategies work. They spend billions of shillings on big cars, big houses, and fancy holidays to give a lip-biting impression that they hold the secret to ever making money. They do not tell you that a huge part of their lifestyle is made possible by selling books, courses, and other products instead of the investment strategies they claim will make you rich. They frequently flaunt their affluence. In an attempt to appear more financially secure than they actually are, they take out loans or rent expensive things. It all fits into the picture they are trying to present, which is that you can live like them if you follow their instructions. However, most people can't realize this dream. Financial literacy or finance gurus. The growth and popularity of financial gurus draws attention to a more serious problem. The population has little understanding of various financial topics. Since most people do not receive any education on personal finance, they are vulnerable to being given fraudulent advice. The average person is an ideal candidate for gurus peddling quick fixes because he or she may not fully appreciate the challenges of dealing with credit, saving, or planning for the future. This lack of financial literacy results in bad decisions, and this will result in high levels of debts, low levels of savings, and missed investment opportunities. Most financial experts exploit this void by offering various ways of making quick money that end up in more losses. Also, the use of social media has improved the reach of these gurus, and that means fake information is easily spread around. Instead of having to wait to take directions from celebrities, people should endeavor to ensure that they take the time to learn matters of money. Easy for people to be informed on personal finance as there is plenty of literature, including books, classes, and podcasts that are available for free. Another kind of information source is to obtain it from financial advisors or accredited institutions to gain more information. Moreover, the community workshops and local libraries hold programs that make the topic of finance available to the public. The self-educated are in a better place to avoid being conned by these financial gurus. Basic processes such as budgeting, saving, financial investment, and even such a sensitive point like a retirement all put in the capacity of the individual to make their own decisions of economical future. The real secret to financial success. Last but not the least, the actual way of making money cannot be taught in a seminar or from a book. In a nutshell, I have been able to discover that it rests on discipline, regularity, and the right choices depending on the financial potential of the person in question. Any person who tells you otherwise is most likely in a better position to make money out of you than to help you. What should be noted here is that there is no one way of making money in the financial market. The process of building wealth is not a smooth one and involves a lot of learning through mistakes. Money management skills are important. Knowing how to borrow, save, and invest wisely is important. Experts in finance feed on despair and hope. They are aware that despite people's desire to think there is a quick route to wealth, none exists. By prudent planning, investing, and living within your means, wealth is developed gradually. Simply creating the budget, setting the long-term goals, as well as reconsidering the position, eventually lead them to significant changes for the better in the future. It will be much better for you if you can avoid the pitfalls that these self-styled gurus put for you. Do not join the bandwagon of the get-rich-quick plans, but instead create a sound budget plan that you can stand. Get updated, seek advice, and remember that wealth creation is a slow and gradual process. It's important to approach financial experts critically in a society full of false promises and quick routes to wealth. Though the draw of instant wealth can be strong, the truth is that long-term financial success necessitates knowledge, self-control, and a strategy customized to your own circumstances. You can more skillfully manage the complicated world of personal finance by putting your own financial literacy above the showy sales pitches of self-proclaimed gurus. Recall that genuine wealth is not created suddenly. Those who assert otherwise are probably more concerned with their own financial gain than your well-being. Stay knowledgeable, remain skeptical, and most importantly, have faith in your capacity to make wise, well-informed decisions as you set out on your financial journey. Thus, the next time a financial guru makes big claims, sit back and consider whether they are genuinely trying to assist you or if they are just selling you an illusion. You'll be able to see through their act and never trust them again once you begin to doubt their intentions.